evening, viewers. I'm Abigail Carmelim, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. August 16 is always a special feast day for the Salesian family. It is in fact the day on which the anniversary of Don Bosco's birth is celebrated. Also this year, which marks the saint's 205th birthday, a solemn Eucharistic celebration is celebrated across the globe. Due to the prevalent situation created by the COVID-19 pandemic, the celebration was visible online by the Salesian family, with many young people participating in all the online Holy Mass and other programs. Father Angel Fernandez, the major superior of the congregation, celebrated at the Basilica of Colle Don Bosco, Castelnuovo, the place where the father and teacher of youth was born.
தாயின் வயிற்றில்
Decimos, Padre, escucha nuestra oración.
Padre, escucha nuestra oración.
Por nuestra iglesia, extendida por toda la tierra, para que seamos capaces de anunciar los valores del Evangelio como Jesús lo hizo, con valentía, sobre todo abriendo nuestros ojos hacia los que más lo necesitan. Oremos al Señor.
Padre, escucha nuestra oración.
Pedimos también por toda la congregación salesiana para que en sus distintas obras, en sus distintas presencias, cumplan
as alive and which help all the young. We have the major rector who is celebrating this Holy Mass.
La mia casa si chiamerà casa di preghiera per tutti i popoli.
I am the apostle to the Gentiles. I glory.
Ci troviamo veramente in festa.
So Don Angel is now
È il
speaking.
16 agosto 2020.
We're here and we're the day in which all the Salesian family
La nascita
celebrates
del
the
padre maestro
birth
dei giovani.
of our Don Bosco, the
È
father
stato dichiarato da San
of
Giovanni Paolo
all
II nel
the young
1989.
people. The Spirit. We just remember you.
There were also cultural programs to honor the saint. Chofu, Tokyo, and Himamatsu of the Diocese of Yokohama, the Salesian Conference and lay mission partners continue their work of solidarity with the people in need. This time, Mr. Patty, who is supporting the migrant children through the support of Father Achille Loro Piana SDP, parish priest of Himamatsu Parish, were able to distribute rice, green beans, pasta, tomato paste, flour, canned food, olive oil, mayonnaise, pancake mix, sugar, salt, pepper, condensed milk, jam, sweets, cookies, toothpaste, soap, toilet paper, detergent and power detergent to several families, thanks to the generous benefactors who helped them in this apostolate. Among the 30 Salesian provinces in Europe, Slovakia is probably the only one that still operates in its own novitiate incorporate. Last 15th August 2020 was a remarkable date for the novitiate incorporate as it witnessed the first profession of 3 young Salesians. Among the 3, 2 candidates are for the priesthood and 1 for Salesian brother. In a meaningful prayer service held at Auxilium Convent, Nongthamai, Shillong, India, on 15th August 2020, the 11th temporary professed sisters of the Immaculate Heart of Mary, province of Shillong, assumed a 1-year intense formation journey called the Intensive Generate. The theme that will guide this 1 year of deepening in their religious identity is "It is Mary who guides us," taken from the FMA Constitution's Article 44. On this day, each of them made a personal symbolic offering, taking upon themselves the responsibility of auto-affirmation in their vocational journey. Present on the occasion were Sister Elizabeth George, Provincial, Sister Marvela Shangpliang, the animator, and the sisters of the community.
Sea and sky, I have heard my people cry. Out of where I can sing, my hand will sing. I will read the stars of night. I will read the darkness bright. Who will bear my light to them? Whom shall I send?
In view of the International Day of Youth, which was held on 12 August 2020 from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., the Salesian provinces of Chennai, India (INM) and Trichy, India (INT) organized an online listening forum to listen to 23 young people from different walks of life in the state of Tamil Nadu. The young people voice out in 6 minutes each their varied experiences during the pandemic months of actively demonstrating love for God, love for neighbor, and love for nature. It was an enriching experience for both Salesians and all the young participants. It was also a special moment, members of the Salesian family, to actively listen to the young positive voices full of hope to establish a just and peaceful society. The opening session of the virtual meet of the Salesian Youth Movement coordinators of South Asian region on the International Youth Day was addressed by Father Jerry Thomas, Don Bosco, South Asia Green Alliance coordinator. Speaking on empowering the young to lead movements, he invited SYM animators and leaders to listen to the dreams of the young and enable them to live their dreams and passions. There were 16 participants representing the provinces of South Asia. We at the Don Bosco Media Network wish all of you a happy feast of the 205th birth anniversary of Don Bosco. We will end today's episode with the song Live the Dream, covered by Zit Yarsia, composed by Jude Gita Mondok, lyrics by Father Fidel Orendent, SDB, directed by Tamiliuk mixed and mastered by Nico Villanova, videographed and edited by Carl Lewis. Enjoy the song.
Little John, little dreamer, you had so little in your life it seemed, but you never lost the power to dream. A dream that spoke of so much truth, of so much hope, of so much youth. But dreams need no time nor season. I know this, and you're my reason. I dream of rainbows lighting up the sky. I dream of children finding wings to fly. Because you dreamt of wolves becoming sheep, of shepherds who guard and never sleep. When someone like you dreams of me, it is never just a dream. If there's one thing I can do, let me live the dream for you. Saint of youth, Saint John Bosco, you saw us then as we are today. In your dreams you knew we can always find a way. People say we won't go anywhere, but in your dreams we're already there. 'Cause dreams need no time nor season. We know this 'cause you're our reason. Oh, we dream of rainbows lighting up the sky. We dream of children finding wings to fly. Because you dreamt of wolves becoming sheep, of shepherds who guard and never sleep. When someone like you dreams of us, it is never just a dream. If there's one thing we can do, let us live the dream for you. We will live, we will give, we will love, we will share for St. John Bosco. From here on, we shall live the dream for you. We'll dream of rainbows lighting up the sky. We'll dream of children finding ways to fly. Because you dreamt of wolves becoming sheep, of shepherds who guard and never sleep. When someone like you dreams of us, it is never just a dream. If there's one thing we can do, let us live the dream for you. If there's one thing I can do, let me live this dream for you.
That is all for today. I, Abigail, signing off. See you tomorrow at the same time in the same channel.